Welcome to the Introduction to Basic Trigonometry. In this video, we will explore the fundamental trigonometric functions, sine, cosine, and tangent, also known as sine, cosine, and tan. We will understand these concepts using right triangles and look at some of their real-world applications. Let's begin by understanding the components of a right triangle. The longest side, which is opposite the 90-degree angle, is called the hypotenuse. The other two sides are referred to as adjacent and opposite, and these are defined relative to the angle of interest, which is often denoted by the Greek letter theta. The adjacent side is next to the angle theta, while the opposite side is across from the angle theta. A fundamental mnemonic to remember trigonometric ratios is SOH-CAH-TOA. Let's understand what this means. SO stands for sine equals opposite divided by hypotenuse. CH stands for cosine equals adjacent divided by hypotenuse. TOA stands for tangent equals opposite divided by adjacent. Keep this in mind since we will use this to understand the relationships between the sides and angles in a right triangle. Let's take a closer look at the sine function. The sine of an angle theta, written as sin theta, is defined as the ratio of the length of the side opposite to the angle theta to the length of the hypotenuse. Therefore, sin theta equals opposite divided by hypotenuse. Now let's explore the cosine function. The cosine of an angle theta, written as cos theta, is defined as the ratio of the length of the side adjacent to the angle theta to the length of the hypotenuse. Thus, cos theta equals adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Finally, let's discuss the tangent function. The tangent of an angle theta, written as tan theta, is defined as the ratio of the length of the side opposite to the angle theta to the length of the side adjacent to the angle theta. Hence, tan theta equals opposite divided by adjacent. Trigonometry is applied in various fields of engineering. In structural design, trigonometry is used to calculate forces in beams and determine angles for roof trusses. In surveying, it is used to measure distances and heights using angle observations. Trigonometry also has several applications in physics. It is used in projectile motion to analyze launch angles and calculate trajectories. It's also used in wave physics to study oscillations and interference patterns. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.